Thank you for creating time to be here. Today we're going to look at how you can get a free mailer. So stay with me to the end. It's going to be very brief, and thank you for your continued support. So, how can you get a free email marketing system? And I have a solution for you. Mailwizz have offered one of the best offers that you're going to get. And instead of paying $199 here, you can get it for free. And what kind of an email plan are you looking at? Or what kind of an email marketing system are you looking at? We are looking at you're going to get Mailwizz for free, installed for free. You're gonna come here. This is how Mailwizz look like. I've done several videos on how Mailwizz works. I'm gonna leave some of them in the description. And Mailwizz is one of the best cold email marketing platforms that you're going to find in the market right now. So Mailwizz are doing the installation for free. It is just a quick, short offer that you may want to grab. And how Mailwizz works is you just upload your list here, and then you have your regular campaigns, and then you have your delivery server, bound servers, and all of that. It's the easiest cold email marketing platform that you're going to come across when it comes to cold emails. So I would suggest you grab this offer without thinking a lot. All that you need is to just come, place an order, and then you just buy a VPS. A VPS is needed for an installation. You just buy a VPS. I usually recommend SSD3 or SSDT. Once you buy a VPS, the installation will be done for you absolutely for free. So I felt that information is crucial for you and for your business to help you get more clients. That's all I had for you. It's goodbye for now. See you on the next one.